Hello everyone! It's time to go on another nature walk, but we need to keep our eyes and ears open to hear all the animals that are out because it's almost summertime. Lots of animals at the beginning of spring have babies and they lay their eggs, and so now, right before summer, you see so many more animals than usual because they're being born, or they're hatching, or they're coming out to make more babies. So it's up to us to keep our eyes open so we make sure that they stay safe. Let's take Ziggy outside and see who we found. Before even leaving, I was checking my plants, and on the wall I saw a stick bug. This stick bug is almost the size of my hand. Do you see his 4 legs and his long body? He even has some antenna at the top. This is how he sees when things are going on in front of him. He doesn't have the best eyesight, but he looks like a stick so birds can't see him. When we went downstairs, before I could even get to the grass, I spotted this lizard. Some people call this type of lizard a Texas spiny lizard. They live in trees and in holes in the ground. Do you see his scales? And his 2 white stripes. Thank you, lizard, for letting us see you. Ziggy kept walking until he came across this big, beautiful patch of horsement. These tall purple flowers are called horsement. Aren't they beautiful? You can see that some of the petals are going away and turning into seeds for next year. I also found this toad. You can tell that he is a toad because he does not live in the water. Frogs like water a lot more, and toads like only the rain sometimes, and they live in the dirt. This toad was just sitting on the sidewalk trying to find a nice cool place for shade. You can see him move his throat, so you know he's alive. And he was just waiting for us to pass by because Ziggy can be a little scary sometimes. What a nice toad for letting us take a look at him. If you ever see a toad, remember, do not touch it. Some toads can be not the nicest when you touch them. Then I found out where his home was. He lives in this tiny hole right here. Goodbye, Mr. Toad. Thank you again. Have a nice time at home. We kept walking, and Ziggy decided it was a little too hot for him, so we headed home. But before we got home, we saw another flower we'd seen before. Do you remember seeing these flowers in another nature video? What color are they? Yellow and red. That's right, they're Indian blankets. We saw so many animals today that I'd never seen before. We saw a lizard, and we also saw a toad, and we also saw a very big stick bug. And that's not the first one I've seen. They're everywhere. Alright, my friends, show me what you see outside right now and how it's different than last month. I'll see you next time.